dance Rest in Georgia to the Kane Brown song, Bury Me in Georgia. It's a 32 count, 4-wall improver line dance. There is a section at the beginning where it seemed like you really needed an introduction. Before I choreographed my dance, I had checked on Copper Knob and there was just one other dance and it was not similar at all to mine. However, by the time I had mine choreographed and checked again before I was getting ready to upload it, I saw there was another dance that had used the same introduction, but that's where the similarities end. So it's not like it's any specially choreographed section. We often stomp and clap, and that's what the introduction is. It's 16 counts of stomp, stomp, clap. So your weight is on your left, and you stomp the right twice, stomp, stomp, put your weight on and clap, and then the left, stomp, stomp again, put your weight on and clap. So just 8 counts would look like 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And then for the introduction, you just do those 8 again. Okay, now for the main dance. Weight is on your left. You're going to do a right toe heel stomp. And now you're going to do a rocking chair on the left. Sometimes I like to use the heel, so I did include the heel on the step sheet. Rock, recover, back, recover. And then you're going to do a left toe heel stomp, and then a rocking chair, rock, recover, back, recover. So the count for that, 7, 8 is 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 8. Weight is on your left. Section 2, step, lock, step, moving forward, step, lock, step, rock, recover, half. Rock forward on your left, recover, half. Do another step, lock, step, and then a step, quarter, cross. Step, quarter, cross. Section 3, a big step sliding to the side and dragging your left, going right first, step, drag, rock, recover, into a vine, side, behind, side with a cross, then to the left, big slide step with a rock, recover, and then right point, hitch, slightly over your left knee, point, hitch. Finally, section 4, we're going to the right, side, behind, quarter, step, quarter, cross. So you're sort of on the diagonal, so you go slightly on the diagonal for step, lock, step, step, lock, step, stomp and clap. That's the main part of the dance. With the count, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now, at the end of wall 2, you will be facing the back. You dance the complete 32 counts, and then there's a 4-count tag, and all it is stomp, stomp, clap on your right, and then stomp, stomp, clap on your left, and then you go right into the dance. Wall 3 is a complete wall. Wall 4, which begins at 9 o'clock, it would end at 12. You will already be at 12, but you restart without doing the last 4 counts. So it would be right after we do the step, quarter, cross, and usually we would go into the step, lock, step, lock, step, stomp, clap. We're going to leave that off. Your weight will be on your left. You're all ready to start the dance again. Wall 5 is a complete wall, and then wall 6, which will start facing 3 o'clock, you will feel the music's a little different and it sort of slows down. On wall 6, you're only going to dance the first 8, so it will be 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and then we have a 2-count tag, just stomp, stomp, clap. This time time, you must keep your weight on your left. Don't transfer it to your right. It's just weights on the left, start right, start right, and clap, and you're ready to start the dance again. I hope you enjoy Rest in Georgia.